Unsecured emergency exit doors along the path of escape and rescue routes make the theft of goods easier in the absence of an effective deterrent. The GFS Dexcon offers the solution. It is a battery-operated door monitor which has been developed specifically to secure emergency exit doors. It consists of a multifunctional controller, the GFS Dexcon, and at least one freely positionable read contact. The flexible configurability of the components makes the GFS Dexcon an extremely versatile device. The device is sabotage resistant and can be used on almost all fittings such as door handles, panic bars or push bars. Installation is possible on the door leaf itself or with an offset read contact beside the door. Both door leaves can also be monitored with just one GFS Dexcon. The device's great flexibility as regards positioning makes it very suitable for retrofitting. Activation is done via a key switch on the device. In addition to the distinctive design of the GFS Dexcon, the GFS Dexcon sign "Stop, door is alarm secured" can be seen at a distance, thus preventing thoughtless opening of an emergency exit. Should the emergency exit door be used without authorization, an alarm is triggered immediately on opening the door due to separation of the contacts. The sound intensity is 95 decibels. Where appropriate to the room size and desired range, the alarm tone can also be reduced to 75 decibels. The opening alarm is reset manually via the key switch. With the option of automatic reset, the alarm device is re-armed after the door is closed. An automatic mute can be set for 30 to 180 seconds. The emergency exit door can be used at any time for delivery of goods, as an example. A single release is conveniently selected via the key switch. A permanent release is equally possible. In all scenarios, the door can be passed through alarm-free if required. If after an authorized passage the emergency exit door inadvertently remains open for too long, a repeating tone is emitted that is silenced upon closing the door. On panic bars too, the full diversity of GFS Dexcon functions can be used in accordance with EN 1125. Here a horizontally adjustable trigger angle replaces the read contact. Upon slight depressing of the panic bars, the trigger angle activates the pre-alarm. On releasing it, this is silenced straight away. If the pre-alarm is disregarded and the panic bar is fully depressed, the trigger angle activates the main alarm. A safety rope prevents the trigger angle from falling down and possibly obstructing the escape route. The device key is used to acknowledge the alarm. A new securing upper plate is used to bring the reusable trigger angle back into position, after which the GFS Dexcon is immediately ready for use again. Push bars can similarly be easily and effectively secured to EN 1125 with the GFS Dexcon. A trigger angle fitted with two read contacts is adjusted horizontally to the height of the push bar. After this, a magnetic foil is fixed to the push bar, which thereby closes the contact. Depressing the push bar slightly activates the pre-alarm. The device is silenced once the push bar is released again. The main alarm is activated only if the bar is pressed all the way down. Whilst access via the door is now possible, the alarm can be reset only via the device key. With the design variant for vertical rods, a magnetic film is attached to the rod. The GFS Dexcon is mounted over this. Upon releasing the chrome bolt, the magnetic film is moved by the motion of the vertical rod and the read contact installed in the device immediately triggers the alarm. The advantages of the GFS Dexcon are summarized here once again. Multifunctional, flexible and expandable, conformant to EN 1125 and EN 179. Easy retrofitted thanks to battery operation. Battery monitoring. Compact, noticeable and sabotage-proof housing. Automatic or manual alarm switch off. Selectable alarm loudness. And much more.